Hey brewers, summer is here, and we know that adding beer slushies is a tried and true way to increase foot traffic in warm weather. Amoretti Bar and Smoothie Concentrates takes the guesswork out of turning your delicious beer into a frozen treat. Spend more time crafting your summer crushable lagers and less time worrying about the Brix concentrate of random fruit purees. Just one of these bottles can flavor up to an entire gallon of beer. Super easy to pour, no weird fruits, no pulps. Instant color, freezes consistently because of the Brix content of the Bar and Smoothie Concentrates. They're made of real fruit, and they're the easiest way to turn your beer into a summertime beer slushie. Our raspberry Bar and Smoothie Concentrate has frozen in under an hour in this commercial granita machine. The sugar level, you can see the freeze on this. Let's give it a try. Great ice, super consistent. Cheers.